Hey, what's up everyone? James Jernigan here, and today I want to show you how to get targeted website traffic using AI. Now, the cool thing about this is it only takes a few minutes per day, and you can start getting hundreds, if not thousands of visitors to your website, depending on what niche you're in. So there's 5 simple steps for you. So if you want to follow along, the first thing you're going to want to do is head over to shineranker.com and grab your free trial of this tool that we're going to be using here today, shineranker.com. So that's step one. But before we get started, I want to show you exactly what this looks like and why you'd want to start using AI. So like I said, just spending a few minutes per day, and I'm going to walk you through the entire process in this video. I've been able to generate millions of impressions on my website and get tens of thousands of clicks over the past year. And so on this graph here, between here and here is when I started playing with AI, and then after that is when I've been using this strategy that I want to show you here today. So like I said, step one is to head over and grab your free trial of ShineRanker at shineranker.com. After you do that, the next thing you're going to want to do is head over to the keyword research tool and enter 3 words that your customers would search to find you. So we'll go ahead and do that, and I'll show you exactly what that looks like. Once you're inside the tool here, you're going to come down to where it says keyword research, click this button right here. Then you're going to click this arrow where it says enter keyword topics. So suppose we're a car repair shop in Boulder, Colorado. We could put car repair Boulder, Boulder auto repair, and maybe car mechanic Boulder, Colorado. So then we'll hit submit. Give the tool just a second here. You can see it's finding keywords up here. It's already found 198. So then the next step you'll want to do once this has found a good number of keywords is you can organize this data. So we'll categorize it by monthly searches to see what searched the most. Then we can click this button to highlight all of these and update the difficulty so we can see the ones that are not filled in there. So what we're looking for is ones that are in green here. Now, washer's car might not be specific enough. Mister's car wash. Walmart Auto Care Center. So basically what we want to do is find keywords that are in green that are highly relevant to what it is that we're talking about. So this doesn't seem to be pulling location specific keywords yet. Oh, here we go. Now on the 3rd page you can see. So what we want to do is just check the difficulty on these. And so here we go, we can see Mechanic Boulder gets 320 searches per month, and the difficulty is 19. Because this is in green, means this is easy. So if we come over here to the steps, step 3 is going to be select the green keywords with the highest search volume. So this is exactly what that looks like. You're going to come through and find, so like I said here, Mechanic Boulder, this is a great one, Subaru Repair Boulder. So these are keywords that you'd want to create pages on your website that are titled this. Mechanic Boulder, another one, Subaru Repair Boulder. And so what I want to show you now is how to use AI to actually create the content for these keywords, which is step 4. So this is literally how simple this is. There's 320 people a month searching Mechanic Boulder. So we will just go ahead and copy that keyword. And as you can see here, the average cost per click is $13. So even if we can get a handful of these 320 people coming to our website at $13 per click, that's going to be extremely profitable. And you can also use this for affiliate marketing or anything else. But to keep this simple, the next thing you're going to want to do is head over to the content editor. So here is where you'll paste in your keyword. So there we have Mechanic Boulder. Now we'll hit start editing. So once this tool is pulled up here, right here where you see this button that says generate is where you'll want to paste your keyword again. And you can just generate content right away if that's what you want to do. And I'll just start by doing that. So this is not going to give us much with that short keyword. This is just going to give us the definition of Boulder this time, but that's okay. If we're a little more specific, car repair shop in Boulder, Colorado. So there you go. It says Boulder's Car Repair Shop is a great place to take your car for any repair it needs. They have highly skilled mechanics who are able to fix anything from the smallest scratch to the most catastrophic damage. They also offer competitive prices so you can get everything done without breaking the bank. And you can see it's just generic stuff about, in this case, Boulder's Car Repair, but what you would want to go do is go through and rename this to your business. So you just get rid of Boulder's and say Jim's Car Repair. Take 30 seconds to go through each time this thing spits out some content. So the next thing you want to do is you might want to include different brands. So Ford Repair, Colorado. And it's not always perfect. Sometimes you might have to try a time or two, but we will just put another keyword in here. Let's say coolant flushing process. Alright, so we have a sentence about coolant flushing. Let's try and give it some more. Coolant flush pricing. And so now we have a paragraph about coolant flushing. And you get the idea. You'll just continue this process. So you might do another article down here about brake jobs. Let's say affordable brake job service. So we got a few extra words there in the beginning. We'll just delete that. And now if you're looking for an affordable brake job service to have done on your vehicle, the mechanics at, and then here you would just put Jim's Auto Repair. Could be a good fit here at, and then again, just change this to your business name, Jim's Auto Repair. And you can see how the AI knows what we're talking about. So here at Jim's Auto Repair in Boulder, Colorado, we offer a wide range of services for all types of cars and purposes, and we'll work with you to find something that works best for your budget and schedule. So you can see here that this needle has jumped from 0 to 31%. So it's telling us what headings we should include here: popular services in Boulder, Colorado, local auto repair in your area. And here's a bunch of other related words. So appointment, that's a good one. You might type in mechanic appointment, Boulder, Colorado. And so you can see this content just builds, and now we've jumped to 38%. So you just continue this process. And to save time, I'm not going to bore you with going through each and every single one of these little words down here, but you would just include these until you have an article, and then it's as simple as copying that and pasting it onto your website. And the cool thing about this tool is you can even go through and adjust the fonts and headings so that when you paste it in, there you go. You can set your headings so that when you paste this into your website or your blog, it's already optimized. So ideally, you'll want to get this over to the green side by creating content. And that's really it. If we come down here, Step 5, the last step in this process, is to share your new page on social media or create backlinks so that it gets indexed. However you do it, you want to get this page indexed on Google, and I found the best way to do that is by sharing it on social media where people are going to click on the content. Or if you already have content that's performing well, you can create backlinks so that people go from that content over to this content. But the main idea is to start sending traffic to this new page so that Google knows it exists, and they will start giving you clicks on your website so you can start seeing your search console look like this. So I hope this helps. Like I said, the first step is to head on over to shineranker.com. Once you get your free trial, you're going to click here on keyword research. Find the ones in green that have a good amount of monthly searches. Then you will come here to the content editor and start editing, and just let the AI write as much content as you need. Then you'll paste it on your website, share your website on social media, and yeah, for a very small amount of effort, you can get targeted website traffic using AI. So I hope this helps, and I'll catch you guys on the next video.